A lot of teachers have been asking me about how they can start teaching their students online. So I decided to make a series of videos about how teachers could use various tools within YouTube and Google Classroom to start teaching their students online. I'm Ganesh, I'm the founder of Don't Memorize, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you could quickly create a YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel 5 years ago because I wanted to educate millions of learners, and now I have a dream to educate more than 1 billion learners in the coming years. Each one of us has this passion or burning desire inside of us to share something with the world, and your YouTube channel will help you do exactly that. So without further ado, let's begin. The only prerequisite to starting a YouTube channel is to have a Gmail ID or a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it very easily by visiting accounts.google.com and clicking on Create Account. To create your YouTube channel, head over to youtube.com and you will see the sign in button on the top right corner. Click on the sign in button and enter your Google account credentials, and then you will see a page like this. Do not get overwhelmed with all the buttons you see here. You will understand everything with time. On the top right corner of the page, you will see a circle with a letter in it. And by default, it shows the first letter of the name linked to your Google account. When you click on it, you will see the following options in a drop-down format. Again, let's not be amazed by looking at these options. Let me ask you a question here. Where would you click now to create your YouTube channel? It's self-explanatory, right? We click on Create a Channel, which will get us to this page. Seeing this page should get you excited. Your journey as a creator has begun. Once you click on Get Started, you will see this page. Now this is asking you if you want to use your Google account name or think of a custom name for your channel. I'd suggest you go for the custom name option, which will convey what your channel means or does. The custom name I gave my channel was Don't Memorize, because I wanted our learners to understand concepts and not just memorize. Once you give your channel a name, you'll be asked to upload a profile picture. You can do that immediately or even later if you wish to. And that brings us to the last and one of the most important steps, the channel description. This is a very important field that you need to fill in after giving it some thought. This will not only help your viewers understand what your channel is all about, but will also help your channel with search rankings. And then you can add relevant links and click on Save and Continue. There you go, your channel is ready now. And hey, don't worry, all of these details can be changed later. But hold on, do you have to upload videos if you have a YouTube channel? Or are there other advantages to it? How else could we help students with our YouTube channel? Watch the next video to know more.